What is going on, guys? I'm gonna be doing another Ford Explorer video. So there's a loud ticking noise in the dash, so we're gonna fix that. It takes all the time. Alright guys, what you want to do next is remove two pins from under the dashboard. So there's gonna be one pin on this side under over here, it's white, and one pin under this side over here, and that is also white. And it looks like that right over there, that white right there, and then there's gonna be one on the other side too. What you want to do is grab a flathead screwdriver, put it right there, and pull that pin out. And it comes out just like that. So you gotta pull towards yourself. Now for the other side, same thing. Grab a flathead screwdriver, put it in like that, and then pull that out. I can't see it properly. And then it just comes out just like that. Next thing you gotta do is remove the dashboard. So you open it, be careful, make sure it doesn't drop. And there's gonna be this little rope thingy right over here. I'll put the light on it. It's right there. That little wire holds it when it opens, so it doesn't hang down. So what you want to do is, I'm going to put one finger there and one finger there. What you're going to do is pull it down while holding the dashboard up. And it comes out just like that. So you pull it down, and then it goes through the bigger part of the hole and it comes out. There's gonna be two clips up here. Make sure you don't break them. One's gonna be up here, one's gonna be up over there, and then you could just pull the dashboard right out. And the dashboard just comes out. And now what you want to do is remove this plastic panel on this side over here. Comes up pretty easy, but I'm still going to use a flathead screwdriver for it. So what you want to do is put the flathead screwdriver in there like that, and then you want to open that up like that. There's just clips there, so don't worry, but also be gentle with it at the same time. When there's enough room for you to put your finger in, you could just use your hand and then take it out. And these are all clips, so you won't really break anything, but still be careful not to break the clips. There you go. And there's one more piece of trim you have to remove, and it's this piece right over here. And in order to take that out, what you do is you come to this side where you took that plastic panel off. You just use your hand and just pull it like that. It's only clips holding it, and then you can put that to the side. And we have 7mm screws over there, so we want to remove those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 at the bottom. So we're gonna remove those screws now. Alright guys, after you take all those screws out, you could pull this out. This whole housing of the dashboard comes out. Grab it with both hands. Just gonna try to grab it with both hands. Little dash housing just comes out just like that, and then you can access that annoying motor. It's right there. So we're gonna listen to it right now. We're gonna lock it and then unlock it, and you can hear it, and I feel the vibration in the motor right now. So we're gonna remove that, replace it with a new one. So that's the part number. Just read it off, and that's the part number you need. That's what the motor looks like, and now we're just going to change that. Alright, so first things first, remove the wiring harness. There's going to be a little red tab right there. You pull it back like that, and you push on this, and then this comes out just like that. Now what we're going to do is unscrew this. So for this, the screws for the motor are 8mm, so I'm just going to take those guys out too. Alrighty, time to pull the old motor out. There it is, the old annoying motor. Made me do all that work. Now we're gonna put the new one in, and it only goes in one way. You can see the shape of the teeth. It's only made a certain way, and this fits in a certain way. So it's gonna go in a weird way, but what you do is once the teeth are in a bit, you turn it, and then you put it back the same way the old one was. There's two clips there that you put the motor onto, so it holds it right there. And then we're just gonna screw this back in. We're gonna test it out before putting everything back together. Alright, new motor's in. We're gonna plug it in, and moment of truth, this thing better work. Alright, it's plugged in. It didn't make any noise. So we'll start up the Explorer, and we'll see what happens. Act like I lock it, then unlock it, and you can hear it, but that's like normal. It's working perfectly fine. So now all you gotta do is put all that stuff back the way you took it off. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Hope this video helped.